Stop sending naked emails. Here's how to add signature on your Gmail account. So what does it mean, signature? When you try send someone mail, for example, I just show you. So when you reply any of mail, you will see signature over here. It's my signature admin /richgarant.com. So you can add any text that you want. So how do it? When you open Gmail app, as you can see, I use Gmail app. Alright. When you open it, you should tap on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're here, you should find settings. So basically scroll down and proceed to settings. Once you're here, you should scroll down a little bit and you will see signature settings over here. And you can change it or add it if you want it, of course. For example, I clear my signature. One moment. Alright. Then tap on done. So basically when I again want to reply, we not see any signature. So when you want to add some signature, again go to settings, signature settings, and type wherever you want it, and then tap on done to save it.